For hammer blow repair, you will need the following tools. First, the damaged area has to be cleaned of dirt using the scraper. Use the welding device to preheat and weld the pothole. Allow the welded area to cool down for about 1 minute. After cooling, remove the excess material with the paint stripper. Finally, strip the repaired area with the scraper and paint scraper to achieve a smooth surface. In just a few minutes, the alkus solid plastic panel is repaired and ready for use without any loss of quality.